Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Friday, July 12, 2024. It's now 8:10 in the morning. The temperature is 39 degrees centigrade. In about an hour at 9 o'clock it will reach to 42 degrees, and at 11 o'clock 45 degrees, and at 12 noon it will reach to 46 degrees. So temperature is very hot. It's not advisable to go out, but if you have a train cardio, then you can try to go out. But if it's not, it's not advisable to go out because it's very dangerous and you might suffer heat stroke. So for us, we can handle this kind of temperature, and we are already trained. So we'll go for a walk to Cornice and jog again, do our weekly routine. Then we will feed our cat friends again. So join me guys for this short journey again, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Oh, the temperature is really very hot. Feels like you are in front of the oven. You will feel the heat. Your skin will really feel the heat, as if you are in front of a fire. The road is empty because most of the people are still sleeping. Crewy! Ah! Crewy! There are so many crows here. We're trying to feed them with bread and also with chicken, but they are still afraid to go down. So it will take some time for us to be able to get their trust. So I just throw some bread here. Crewy! Hello! Come here! Do you want food? Oh my god, they are all coming here. Crewy! Hello! Ah! 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 We are friends, okay? Come here. You want to eat? I know you are all hungry. You want chicken? Okay, I will jog now. So, see you again. Ah! Ah! The place is empty, so seems like this is exclusive for us alone again. Nobody likes to deal with the hot weather or hot temperature. If you have a high blood pressure, so it's not advisable to come here because of the possible heat stroke. So now I think it's reaching to 40 degrees. It's good there is some wind or air, and we will start to jog now, and we will visit our cat friends again. We'll spend some time also on the seaside to get some sea breeze. We just finished our jogging, so we'll just get some sea breeze while eating sunflower seeds for a few minutes, and then we'll go back to our cat friends. There is the water tower, which is a very famous landmark here in Alcobar.